Hey, welcome to Press Play Online. In today's video, it's all about going to estate sales and finding things for our back patio. Karen found these really cool sales. One was in a $1.5 million home. All right, good morning. We are at another estate sale. And we do mean estate sales. This place, we're over in the ritzy neighborhood over in Kansas. Check these out. We're on the lookout for some really cool outdoor gardening things that we saw at this estate sale. And we have to have there's a hike to it. Let's see. And we're early enough there's a line. We're never early enough to be in line. That's pretty. Oh wow, what a gorgeous kitchen. Oh cool, I love it. Well, I can lift the top. Oh yeah, I can take that. Yes. Yeah, do you like it? I'm gonna say no on this. Oh, I liked that. I wanted that. I can't lift that. I think it's awesome, but $225. I want to take that side. Nope, we're not. That's a no from us. But they did have this a primitive rustic bench that was in our price range. Here. Would you bring that? Yeah, I like that a lot. Yeah, I want this. As well as we got a bunch of terracotta pots for next to nothing. 4 for 8. So 8 for 8. Those are fun too. Just get both. This is gorgeous. This might be the coolest house I've ever been in. I am riding in the back of the truck until Karen can go find a place out of the way and we can tie down what we bought. I'm getting a bunch of looks like, who are those rednecks in the pickup truck? And in this neighborhood, I'm getting some pretty funny looks for being in the back. So, here is a project I will be working on. So, and this was only about 30-ish dollars, give or take some. And oh, a really cool project I have in mind for the top of this table. I'm going to tile the top of this table, and what do you think I should choose? Should I choose the Bianco Arabesque tile, or should I choose these assorted Mexican ceramic tiles? Let me know. Vote down below. And what else did we get? Oh, what I'm sitting in. Okay, we're at our second estate sale. Let's see if we can find anything cool. Look at the side table. $40 for the side table. We found this really pretty outdoor, it might be plastic, fake wicker, but it's really cool and I love it. Has a side table and the chair. The chair was $30, the side table was $20. I feel like we got a steal. It was amazing. Okay, and we're at our third estate sale for today. Found that adorable little birdhouse. And so then we went to Home Depot today. I found this gorgeous begonia at Home Depot and I thought it would look perfect on the table that we found at the estate sale. Thought it would look pretty next to this. Let me see. It is humid. It's gonna storm tonight. That is why I took and polyurethaned the heck out of this. it's already dry and it's not tacky anymore, so that when it starts storming tonight, it's nice and taken care of. Stay tuned for a future video where it'll be all about styling and styling the patio project I have for this table and planting up all the flowers. Also, a future video will be, I know there has been people asking about it, the salsa garden. So I'm out here in the country at a little market here, and I just bought 4 tomato plants for the garden.
What you doing, Cal?
I just bought a bunch of tomato plants.
You waiting for Mama to bring more plants?
One more to go. I don't know where I'm gonna put it in the truck because I gotta get back here too.
Maybe put it in on this side?
I don't know. There's a spot right here. Anyway, I'm so excited. This is so cool. Look at all those plants. Karen bought 4 of them.
Oh, 2. Scoot away. Scoot away, baby. And some days I'm just exhausted and pass out.
My little garden over there. We'll get that all taken care of and you can see what's going on there as well. And that's all I have for today, guys. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.